AI video generators are doing extraordinary jobs at this moment. Now you can create any kind of video with AI video generators. From making engaging content for your YouTube channel to making product promotional videos, everything is possible. In this video, I am going to introduce an AI video generator that can able to do all of this. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Introducing BoolVideo, a comprehensive video generator tool for e-commerce sellers, content creators, marketers, designers, and all others. You have to just a few steps to make an effective video with BoolVideo. I will put the link in the description. After coming to the BoolVideo homepage, create an account with your Google or email account. Once you successfully logged in, your interface will be like this. Here you will find some features to create videos. First, the product to video. This tool generates a video from the product URL. Today I will create a video with a product URL. At this moment BoolVideo only allows URLs from 3 platforms: Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy. If you don't have any store on these platforms or want a video for your own product or store, don't worry, you can still create product videos. I will talk about this method later. Alright, today I will create a video with the Etsy product link. At this moment Etsy is one most popular e-commerce platforms all over the world. You can connect your store with Etsy and make a huge money. After logging into your Etsy account, you just have to copy the URL of your product. For example, I want to create a video for this product. So, I am copying the product URL and then paste into the BoolVideo URL box. After entering the product URL, click on the Apply URL button from here. Now it will analyze the URL and insert all the important data from the product description including images and videos. And here it is, you can see that all the images and video clips have been added to the media library. On the right side, you will find product descriptions and other information in the idea prompt section. You can customize them if you want. Next, in the type setting, select with AI voiceover if you want to make a video with a voiceover. After that, set the video duration. If you are making a video for TikTok, then select 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. And if you making YouTube shorts, select under 60 seconds. You can make a maximum of 5-minute long video with BoolVideo. Next, select the video aspect ratio. I will go with the portrait or 9:16 aspect ratio. After that, we have to set the AI customization setting. There are 4 options: conservative, moderate, be wild, and customized. I will go with the moderate setting. Next, select what type of content you want to use on your video. I will go with all the stock videos or images, AI-generated images, stickers, and filters. The next setting is the language setting. At this moment, you can create videos in more than 50 languages and accents. I will go with English with a US accent. In the end, you can add a brand kit to your video. After all is set, hit the Generate button from here. Now BoolVideo will generate script, voiceover, and subtitle and then finalize the actual video. It will take some time, so let's first forward this part. And here it is, our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Are you aware of the impact of magnesium deficiency on your body? It's suspected that nearly everyone needs more magnesium, essential for 300 biochemical reactions. What's intriguing is that this mineral is more readily absorbed.
Or add stock videos and images where needed. The subtitle is also available here. Now you can export the video and upload this video or any platform. But as I always recommend, customize the video to make it more engaging. Just on the left side of the preview video, you will find all the scenes. You can change the script from every scene. For example, I am typing, "Welcome back to our channel." After that, if you want to change the voice actor, click on the mic icon from here. Now you will find the library of voice actors, listen to some of them, and then select the best one. After selecting the voice actor, you can customize the voiceover volume and speed. After all is done, click on the Apply All the Voiceover checkbox from here. Otherwise, you have to customize the voice from every scene. Alright, our voiceover is ready. Now what if we want to change the visual from any scene? You can do it by clicking on the Visual Replace button from here. Now you will find a vast library of stock images and videos. You can search for specific videos or images on the search bar. In the Project tab, you will find the media from the product page. You can upload your own media also from here. Next on the Cloud tab, you will find the media you have uploaded on BoolVideo. Okay, find the best footage for your scene and then click on the Replace button. And here it is, our scene visuals are ready. In this way, customize all the scenes if needed. Alright, now let's talk about another interesting feature of BoolVideo. You can translate your video into more than 50 languages from here. It's a game-changer feature. Now you can make videos in any language, although you don't know the language. Alright, after all is set, hit the Export HD button from here. Now set the video name and resolution and hit the Export button. It will take some time to render the video. Let's first forward this part. And here it is, our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Welcome back to our channel. Are you aware of the impact of magnesium deficiency on your body? It's suspected that nearly everyone needs more magnesium, essential for 300 biochemical reactions. What's intriguing is that this mineral is more readily absorbed by the skin than internal supplements. Imagine a jar of body lotion on a wood surface, derived from pure magnesium oil, carefully blended with organic avocado oil, shea, coconut oil, lavender essential oil, and local beeswax. These ingredients keep your skin hydrated and your mind strong. Plus, they're all sustainable and pesticide-free. Packaged in a glass jar with a metal lid, this magnesium...
That's really amazing. This kind of video will increase the sales of your product. By the way, not only product video, you can create every kind of video with BoolVideo. Let's have a look. After product to video, you will find idea to video. With this tool, you can convert your idea into a fully flagged video. You just have to enter your idea prompt in this box. Then set the video duration, aspect ratio, and video language. BoolVideo will generate an engaging video like this.
Hey there! Welcome to an exciting journey delving into the myriad benefits of exercise for our physical and mental well-being. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage with some background. You see, exercise isn't just about hitting the gym or going for a run.
The next feature of BoolVideo is the script to video. If you already have a video script, then you can convert it into an engaging video. Just enter your script in this box. Then select the aspect ratio. BoolVideo will create the video for you. After that, to convert any blog article to a video, use this blog to video. After coming to this page, enter the blog URL in this box, set the video duration, ratio, and language. BoolVideo will take care of the rest. In this same way, you can create engaging videos from visuals and templates or can start from scratch. In conclusion, whether you are a content creator, marketer, or designer, BoolVideo could be your best video creation assistant. But the question is the platform free to use? You can try this tool for free, but if you want to export the video and grow your business, then you have to buy a paid subscription plan. In the standard plan, you can export 60 videos per month and 600 voiceover transcription minutes with all other features. You have to pay just $9. In the Pro plan, you can export unlimited video 1,500 voiceover transcription minutes with all other features. You have to pay $69. There is another Ultra plan. If you need more, then you need to talk with the BoolVideo team. And yes, you will get a 20% discount on every yearly plan. I will put the link in the description box. Don't forget to try this tool. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with generating videos from the Etsy product link. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy earning!